Earth feels huge to us, but compared to the sun, it's tiny. Let me show you.
Come on, let's get closer!
Here's Earth, and here's the sun. They look kind of similar in pictures, right? But watch. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. Just look at those Earths pouring in. It's endless. Not 1,000, not 100,000, 1.3 million! Our whole planet, just a speck. But the sun is not the biggest thing out there. Not even close. This is UY Scuti, one of the largest stars we know. Inside it, you could fit billions of suns. Every tiny point of light in that number. One whole sun. All the energy of our sun. All the light and heat that powers our solar system. And it would vanish inside this giant like a grain of sand. And here's the real kicker. There are stars even bigger than UT Scuti. We haven't found the end of the scale. The universe just keeps going. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. The universe is bigger than you think, and it's awesome. Stay curious, everyone.